Hi, I'm Rachelle, herbalist, holistic health practitioner, and your host of Plant-Based. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make chia seed crackers. These little guys are so full of nutrition, vitamins, minerals, fiber. Obviously, they are tiny. However, they absorb a ton of water or whatever moisture you put them in. This is excellent as it happens in our body. It's also how this recipe works. Chia seeds contain all of the essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of a lot of things that our body needs to function well, like protein and neurotransmitters. So with these little heroes, let's begin. Half a cup of chia seeds. On top of that, we're doing half a cup of sunflower seeds and half a cup of pepitas or pumpkin seeds, and then half a cup of sesame seeds. You can use black sesame seeds or white sesame seeds, whichever you prefer. Okay. And then a clove of garlic. And I know there are lots of different ways to deal with garlic, but I love a garlic press. I grew up with one of these and they never, ever get old, never disappoint. Garlic is one of my favorite immune supports, actually. Sea salt. This is a blend of 10 different medicinal mushrooms or functional mushrooms, as they're called. In here, you'll have high antioxidants in chaga, you'll have sort of brain and mood support in reishi, you have energy and circulation in cordyceps, you have lion's mane, which is great for nerve health. We are just going to do a couple servings. So now we have this great mix. We're going to add water. As we're stirring this, we need to give it a little bit of time because we want the chia seeds to do what they do and absorb some of the moisture, kind of bulk up. And it happens quickly. This has now absorbed its water. You know, if you want to time it, you want to just give it like a minute or two. But as you can see, there's no sort of water in the base. It's all been sucked up by the chia seeds. Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. Okay, so moisture is absorbed. Now we're going to scoop this into our parchment paper lined tray, which is as easy as it sounds. We want to separate them into little blobs, little sections. If you just do one flat sheet, it's very hard to get the middle properly cooked. It'll be really sort of soft and sticky still, and the outsides will be too crisp. So you need to separate it out. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not really big on that. You just kind of flatten it out. What should be perfect is the level, the sort of thickness of the crackers, because you want it, you know, it's gonna be cooking and you want it to be even. I'm just gonna eat this. Okay. So here we have crackers-ish, and we are going to pop this into the oven. Away we go. Chia seed crackers, here they are. I'm so excited about these. As you can see, not totally perfect, but actually perfect. And just, you know, held together, so dense, little energy bombs, little healthy fat bombs. Let's take a taste. Chia seeds are kind of savory. We think of them as something that goes into sweet recipes, but it's a seed. after all, right? I would eat this for breakfast. I would eat this for lunch. I would eat this as a snack, and it's delicious. For more plant-based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.